How to recover X account without email or phone number. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to recover X account without email or phone number. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Basically, when you have to recover your account credentials, then you go to the specific application and tap on the Forgot Password button in order to recover the password. But if you do not remember your email address nor the phone number to recover the password, then go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for help.twitter.com. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for the word recover. You will see various options here now. Tap on the how to reset a lost or forgotten password option and further go ahead and tap on how to reset a lost or forgotten password link. Here, go ahead and now scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see the option for X support, and once you find the option, tap on it. You will then be led to this type of interface. So firstly, under how can we help you with your account, make sure that I need to regain access to my X account option is selected, and under please tell us more drop down, tap on the I forgot my password option. You will then be asked about how did you sign up for this account. So go ahead and select the mean you used to sign up to this account. You can either choose the email address or the phone number and tap on the submit button. You will then be shown with the username and the email address you used to create the account, and beside that you will see the reset button. So go ahead and tap on the reset button and further enter a new email address if you are resetting your email, and enter a new phone number if you are resetting your phone number. Once entered, tap on the submit button, and this is how you can recover X account without email or phone number. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.